Hey everyone, it's Okkkk. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I have not put my wig on yet because I want to do a hair update. I wanted to do this video because I get comments to this day on my videos regarding black women wearing wigs, weaves, and so on and so forth, and makeup. And today we'll just address the hair thing. Because honestly, I was going to make a whole different type of video, which was kind of like trolling the trolls. But, you know, I have to not be that way. I have to resist the urge to, you know, return the same energy to these people. Instead, I'm going to focus my energy on those of you that actually want some tips on how to grow your hair, how to repair your hair from damage from wearing hair extensions. Now, let me just say that weaves in itself and wig wearing does not make your hair come out or make your hair damage. What damages the hair is those of us that do wear extensions and units, we don't take care of our own hair. And I used to be that way back in the day. I just was like, I don't care about my hair because I don't wear it out. So I would just, you know, weave it up. I used to do the glue, the bonding hair extensions, and I would literally just peel the hair out of my scalp, which is very, very, very unhealthy. And over time, my hair was starting to thin. Like my edges up here would be thinning. And I'm gonna take this off in a second, but so that you can see I do have edges and I do have hair. But what takes our hair out is actually what we are doing to our hair, what we are not doing to our hair. So weave in itself, a lot of you know, can be really helpful. Weave and wigs can be helpful for regrowing the hair, making the hair stronger, so on and so forth. But you have to take care of your hair in between your sew-ins and when you, you know, you have your wash days for those of you that wear wigs. So yes, this side of my hair, like I had thinning right here because this is where I used to wear my part when I did do the weaves. And I would do my own sew-ins because I'm a cosmetologist and I never really liked it when other people would do my sew-ins. So I would sew it in and I would put way too much tension on my hair. And then I would also have about a good amount of leave out on the left side. And as I became natural, as I went natural, I would have to press that hair out. And then after I started to work out a lot, I would have, you know, this hair that is natural, half relaxed, and then all the heat would break it off. So I had lots of breakage and I had lots of damage to my hair, which led to me, you know, when I moved here from California, I said, you know what, I'm really done with weaves because it was just damaging my hair. Not to mention the hair, that the water there was really, really bad. So anyhow, take care of your hair when you have your sew-ins and your wigs, okay? These styles are protective styles. I know that there are a whole bunch of other protective styles out there, but we're specifically talking about weaves and wigs today because that's what I do. So after going natural and after starting to take care of my hair, I have seen tremendous growth in my hair. I have had to cut off quite a bit. Last year, my hair, I cut it off and it was so uneven as well, like because I couldn't really comb through it. So I cut the ends off and I just said, you know what? I was this close to doing a buzz cut. Some of you may remember me, I posted a video about, you know, should I do the big chop? And I decided not to do that because I decided that I would feel even worse about my hair and about myself if I did that. I just was not brave enough, and those of you that have been brave enough to do it, kudos to you, but that's just not something that I was interested in. So I gradually cut off my damaged ends. And so now I have about this much that I need to cut off. So what do I do? So first of all, what I do is I co-wash more than I shampoo. And why do you want to co-wash is because you want to keep those natural oils in your scalp and in your hair. And when you shampoo, you are washing away the oils and the dirt, which is important, but you can also co-wash and get the same result. I scrub my scalp as well. I stimulate like with my fingertips with my nails actually. But if you don't have nails, like you could use a comb like this. I know they have little devices where you can massage the scalp. Why you want to do that? Because it stimulates hair growth, stimulates blood flow, which will stimulate hair growth. I use things like tea tree oil, shampoo, and conditioners because tea tree helps to stimulate the scalp, and also is antiseptic, so it can clean up anything that's in the scalp that needs to be washed away. So after that, and I wash my hair like once every 2 weeks or once every 3 weeks. If I have braids or something, then it gets to stay in longer. Then I will put, after I co-wash, usually I will put oil, and this is oil that I actually have been testing out for months now, because I'm going to actually offer that as something that you all can buy, one of my products. So this is an Ayurvedic blend, and if you notice, lots of Indian women have long, beautiful hair, and it's because they do these type of Ayurvedic hair masks, which are really, really good, help to stimulate growth, so on and so forth. So as soon as that's available, I will let you all know. Okay, so after co-washing, I rinse all the conditioner out and whatnot, and sometimes I'll leave it in because I'm gonna do some sort of mask, some sort of treatment. Sometimes it's overnight, but I've seen it on YouTube and it's referred to as the greenhouse method, where you get some a plastic cap, and you keeping the mask on for 2 to 3 hours. You'll want to rinse it out.
Okay, so I actually forgot to mention that the way that I dry my hair is I wrap it in a t-shirt or some sort of cotton cloth that's really thin so that it can absorb all of the water before I start to part and plait my hair.
After you rinse it out, you go back and use your oil. I've been using my oil, but I put it in the scalp, then I massage as well. And then I plait in 4 plaits, okay? And once I get to the ends, I roll the ends out and give the ends a little bit of extra love and care and attention because a lot of times our ends are really, really, really dry. So anyway, then after that, I just put my wigs on, as you guys see when, you know, watching my videos. So
okay, you guys, so here is my hair. I straightened it out for this video just to do a length check. It has grown a whole lot. It's super healthy, and as you can see, I have edges. I do not color my hair at all, as well as I don't relax it, I don't put any chemicals in it, and I rarely put heat on it. But today, I was trying to get fancy and like try to do a natural hairstyle. I was gonna film a tutorial for you, but I'm just gonna stay in my lane, which is not the lane of natural hair tutorials. But I came up with something really cute, nonetheless. And so my point here is, you know, if you choose to go the wig route for your protective styles for your natural hair, definitely keep heat off of it. Make sure you take care of it, moisturize it, do the greenhouse method so that you can lock moisture in. And I cannot stress enough, keep heat off of it, keep heat off of it, keep heat off of it. I put heat on my hair maybe twice a year. I literally just braid it up every time I wash it. And when I plait my hair, I secure the ends with elastics, little elastics, and I keep it like that for weeks at a time. That way I don't have to mess with it. There's no tension. All this stuff, pulling my hair in a ponytail and doing all this stuff, that's not good for our hair, especially if you relax your hair. Some of you are lucky enough to have super strong hair. You can, you know, pull it and do all this stuff to it, but a lot of us don't have that luxury. So if you want to keep your hair, make sure you're good to it, regardless if you have extensions or if you wear wigs or weaves. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you share it, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.